Hey, what's up, y'all? I just got my package in from Bass Pro Shops. I had to wait for like a week, and then I didn't even know it was coming in today. I thought I had to go get it like at the post office because it said it had like delivery problems. I mostly got havoc baits. Mostly all I stick with is berkely. Any berkely power bait or havoc bait. Got my lizards here. Got the pit boss. This is in a green pumpkin. And my lizards are in a green pumpkin. And then I got another one of my green pumpkin crawl fatties. Green pumpkin crawl fatties. And I got the green pumpkin juice worm. And I got one popper, a Bass Pro Shops XTS popper. For my top water. Got the lizards green pumpkin, 6-inch. Pit boss green pumpkin. Then you got your crawl fatty green pumpkin. I know I'm saying this over again, but here they are. And then I got the juice worm green pumpkin. And I'll start bass fishing more when it gets into February for the pre-spawn. And then you got my XTS popper right here that I'm definitely going to try out. Bass Pro Shops XTS popper, which should really work out awesome on the top water. Get some blow-ups. And y'all look forward to some more bass fishing videos in February for the pre-spawn anyway. They don't really bite during the winter. I've already tried, got sick of it. But berkely is mostly all I stick with in baits, and unless it's like a top water or something. But yeah, y'all have a good one and good fishing. Go catch some.